and welcome to mitox.co.uk. In this video I will show you what comes in the box when you receive your Mitox 25C SP grass trimmer and how to assemble your new grass trimmer. This is the power unit with a Mitox 40:1 two-stroke engine. Throttle assembly with safety lever and throttle lever, and the coupling. Next is the trimmer guard, followed by the grass trimmer attachment with the head already attached for you. These are the safety warning labels. This is the front handle assembly and the tools supplied with the machine. This is a two-stroke mixing bottle. These are a T25 and T30 Torx driver, 10 and 8mm spanner, a combi Phillips and flathead screwdriver with handle, a spark plug spanner and a large flat spanner for the trimmer head. Before proceeding further, please read the instruction manual. The manual contains instructions on how to build and safely use and maintain your Mitox grass trimmer. To assemble your new grass trimmer, first take the grass trimmer attachment and attach the trimmer guard. The guard is supplied with the two Torx bolts in place. These are used to secure the guard to the metal section at the base of the trimmer attachment. Mitox recommends wearing gloves to assemble your grass trimmer, as the cutting blade on the guard is very sharp. You will need the T25 Torx driver supplied with your grass trimmer. Remove the bolts from the guard and hold it in position against the metal plate on the trimmer. Locate the Torx bolts and tighten them using the T25 Torx driver. The trimmer guard helps to protect the user against flying debris, and the cutting blade cuts the nylon line to the correct length. Next, attach the front handle assembly to the shaft of the power unit. The front handle consists of a handle for your left hand and the J handle. The J handle reduces the risk of injury as it will dig into your hip should the head be brought towards your feet. The J handle must face to the left when looking from behind the machine. You will again need the T25 Torx driver. The front handle assembly is attached using the 4 T25 Torx bolts supplied. Loosen these and place the top handle and J handle around the rubber anti-vibration mount on the shaft of the power unit. Tighten the Torx bolts a little in turn to ensure all four are located into the J handle section. Continue tightening the bolts until they are secure. If necessary, the bolts can be loosened and the handle moved up or down the shaft to the most comfortable position for the user. The grass trimmer attachment can now be attached to the power unit. On the coupling, loosen the black handle. Pull out the locating pin and twist it left or right to lock it in the out position. Locate the grass trimmer attachment into the shaft of the power unit. You may have to twist it to align the drive shafts. Pull out the locating pin and twist it into the lower slot. The pin is on a spring and twisting the attachment slightly will cause the locating pin to click into place. Tighten the black handle on the coupler.